Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. It comes equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, as well as an 8-speed torque flight automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as blacked out package, heavy-duty engine cooling, drive Selec-Terrain, all-terrain tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior here, we're going to have these all-black doors with this wood grain here as well. We're going to have that chrome finished door handle with the power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows as well. Of course, we're going to have speakers and cup holder and storage right there as well. Of course, the seats and your power adjustable lumbar, leather and suede heated seats. On the left side here, you're going to have your lighting control. You're going to have that wood grain throughout. Of course, on the steering wheel, we're going to have our voice recognition, our odometer control, as well as our hands-free system. And on the right, we're going to have our cruise control, and just on the back, seat track and as well as volume. Here in the odometer, you're going to have the classic digital and analog, as well as you can access your tire pressure, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, you know, the essentials. And that's pretty much it out there. Of course, in the center console here, we're going to have the apps here, as you can access Wi-Fi hotspot, Sirius XM travel link, the heated seats, OnStar services, Bluetooth connectivity. It's going to have that heated steering wheel right there. Of course, you're going to have the multi-zone climate control, as well as sport mode, and your park and automatic parking. Of course, when we lift this up, we're going to have a little storage compartment with 2 USB ports, an auxiliary port, and a 12-volt DC port. Of course, we're going to have the shifter. It's going to fit your Timbs perfectly. Fits right in. Of course, we're going to have their drivetrain selector here. We're going to have sand, snow, auto, mud, and rock, as well as hill descent control. As well as we lift up, you're going to have the double center console here, with lots of extra storage, and a 12-volt DC port in there as well. Again, the passenger side is getting that same finish. Same throughout the door, across the wood grain, as well as that dash. And of course, we're going to have the classic rear view mirror, and as well as the universal garage door opener. You can access your rear lift gate and your reading lamps, and as well as the sunglass case holder. You're going to have these blacked out 20-inch wheels running on these all-terrain Nexen tires here with lots of extra grip. Like I said, it's going to have that blackout package with blacked out grille, tow hooks, and as well as your Grand Cherokee badging. Paint match, mirror cap, and keyless entry door handle. You're gonna have a luggage rack up top as well. Like I said, that blackout badging is gonna continue. You're gonna have your trailer hitch back here, as well as that exhaust. You're gonna have the hands-free lift gate here. Of course, when we access here, you're gonna have that divider right here as well. Oh, there we go. So if you want to separate anything, just lift it back like that. Of course, 12-volt DC port on the side with extra hooks. If we lift this up, gotta lift up a couple things here. Access your wheel well storage. It's gonna give you all the tools you need to change a tire, if you know how. Very spacious rear. Of course, accessing the rear, we're gonna have cup holders here on the bottom, as well as speakers. It's gonna have that wood and grain finish again with that power window. Of course, when we hop in the back, you're gonna have quite a bit of leg room, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat, as well as ventilation and an AC wall charger here in the back, as well as right in the middle. You're gonna have the classic cup holder and armrest, as well as handles and lamps up top. Well, thank you so much for watching today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. So you checked out this 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. Comes equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, as well as an 8-speed torque flight automatic transmission, heavy-duty engine cooling, as well as drive Selec-Terrain, heated seats, heated steering wheel, blacked out badging, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.